And why did you keep the prince of Umudim kingdom waiting? How dare you?
My prince, it's just but a while ago that Jide summoned me.
I come of it, you know what I mean?
I'm sorry, I...
Shut up! Go ahead and do the needful now.
My prince.
I said go ahead and do the needful. Right? Do it now.
My prince.
Come this way.
My prince. My prince.
Come this way. Do the needful.
My prince.
Go ahead. Let me.
I'm tired. I am weak. I am exhausted. I can't move on. God. What is this?
Adorma, my daughter. My sweet Adorma. You cannot be tired now. Right now, we are sojourners on a journey. And a sojourner cannot be tired until he gets to his destination.
What destination, Father? Where exactly are we going, eh?
Where we left is behind us. Our destination is just ahead of us.
Ahead of us, you see. What is the name? What's the name of the place we are going to?
Umudim Kingdom just lies ahead. And I believe that at Umudim Kingdom we can get those cheap huts that farmers make. No, we must find some kind of refuge there. Please, just summon a little strength. Umudim Kingdom is just ahead. Eh, Ada?
Father, I can't. I am hungry. I am tired. My whole body hurts. I am thirsty. I can't.
My dear, I'm sorry. It's okay. My husband, I think what we should be thinking about now is how to eat. Not where we are going or where to stay. A hungry man has no mission except what to eat. I mean, how to find food.
Adamo.
No, are you not hungry?
I'm hungry. I think you are right. I still have a little change in my bag. What we should do is let us just go a bit ahead. We'll find a market. There we can buy something to eat and continue our journey from there. Biko. Adoma. Biko, get up. This place is not really safe. Get up. Get up.
Don't worry, let me help you. Let me help you this time, huh? Let me help you to carry. Let's go.
Just a little more strength. Just a little more strength.
I want to pack and go.
You want to pack and go?
Yes, sir.
Meaning we should pay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how much is your money?
Your money is 450, sir.
450 naira. For bread and water?
Yes, the bread is 200 naira, sir.
Please. We are strangers in this land.
Okay.
And we need a place we can stay, at least for today, to put a roof over our heads. Is there anywhere you can show us?
Okay. If you follow that road, straight down to the end of it, ask anybody you see there to show you Ntutu.
Ntutu?
Yes, sir.
Ntutu will help us?
Yes, he will help you.
Okay. You say you want to close now?
Yes, I want to close.
So you will...
Yes, sir.
Hey, Ebelebe, my guy, what's up now?
Ujago, how many times will I tell you to stop addressing me as Ebelebe? How many times?
Is your name not Ebelebe again?
And so? So because my name is Ebelebe, you have to address me like that?
How else would you want me to address you?
Huh?
How else would you want me to address you? Is your name not Ebelebe?
How else do I expect you to address me?
Yes, of course.
So, will you address Okoma, the late king's son, as Okoma, will you?
Of course I won't, because he's the prince of the land, of this our land. What are you talking about?
Get to work him. Anytime you want to address me as a prince. Or you can call me Prince Ebelebe. Okay, you're laughing, Abi?
So, you don't want to wake up from this your dream? My brother, wake up, don't sleep, collect your money.
When I say wake up, collect my money.
Yes, now.
Wake up. See, let me tell you. Anytime you want to address me as a prince. I am a prince. And you telling me wake up and collect your money. Next time you tell me to wake up and collect my money, can't get away because it's not Ife.
Wait now, wait
for what?
Wait, you two the vet. Like, I'm sorry now, sorry. And next time when I see you, I will address the prince of our land. Sorry, no vex.
Get that, Ebian.
You my man now.
Come prince now. Again. Come
prince, the prince. Prince Ebelebe, my guy. So this thing you are telling me, how true is it?
Uchako, my mother cannot lie to me. I am the first son of the late king. Our late king is my biological father.
It's not as if I'm doubting you, my friend. But it's just that there is no proof to this. Before the late king died, he never made mention of anything like that. It's only Ukoma, the prince, that we know.
That was because my mother hid it from him.
Why will your mother hide such an important information from the king? Why?
Gemonte, listen to me.
I'm listening.
See, my mother was afraid of the queen.
Afraid of what?
Gemonte, this man. Eh? My mother was afraid of the queen. See, the king was cheating on the queen with her. And she doesn't want to create any issue in the palace. That was why she didn't say it out. You should know the implication now.
I know all of this. Okay, now the problem here now is both parties are late. They are dead. How do you now fight your cause?
See, my brother, I am not fighting any cause. All I know is that blood is thicker than water.
Yes, that's true.
See, my mother was a maid cook in that palace. I know what I'm telling you. See, I was born from an illicit affair between the king and his cook. I know what I'm telling you. The king is my biological father.
Just like that?
What do you mean just like that? Just like that.
Okay, those that run many jobs here make their payment every evening. But for those that have farmlands here, make their payment weekly or monthly. So depending on the job you are here for.
Menial jobs. Weeding of grasses. Clearing of compounds. Running of errands. Eh?
Meeting, fetching water.
Fetching water.
We can do anything. Anything, as long as we can earn a living at the end of the day.
No problem.
This is the only vacant place.
Yes, we can stay here.
We should go and check.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Here is the remaining hot. You can shake it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
You have my money.
It's okay. We will pay.
Just remember, in next 10 days, I will be here to take my money. I don't want to hear stories.
No, sir. By God's grace, there will be no stories.
Yes.
Huh?
Yes. Let us take care.
Thank you. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you.
Mama, now that I am through with school, I want to go to the city and look for a job.
City?
Yes, Mama.
Who will you stay with?
Mama. Anybody.
Anybody?
Yes.
Who is anybody?
Mama, a lot of girls that are in the city today does not know anybody. You don't have to have somebody in mind or know somebody before you travel to the city. They left, finally got themselves attached with the people there, and that is it. So, please, you don't need to fear.
That's not my plans for you. I have better plans for you.
Okay. Say it out, let me hear.
Nneka,
Mama,
do you know that there are some people that work in this kingdom and they earn far more than many working outside there in the city?
Ezioku?
Yes.
And I never heard of the company or the institution.
You have heard and you know. It's just that you don't know that they earn that much in that place. Honestly.
Okay. So where is the place?
Do you know how much the queen pay the servants and maidens that work in the palace?
Are they paid well?
Paid well. My dear, I could not believe it until I even saw the money.
Are you serious?
They pay them very well. You know what? I said to myself that all those working there, they don't have two heads. And they are not better than my daughter. So my daughter will work in the palace.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much, Mama.
I think that is better. And I'm working out something. We'll work something too.
So
get you in there.
You know how to do it so that I can get to the palace.
Yes, I'm discussing with somebody.
Mama.
Don't worry.
Thank you so much.
Must he sleep with every maiden that comes into this palace? Must he?
And you expect me to answer that question?
He's a prince, for crying out loud, and every beautiful girl out there will run into his arms on invitation. So why is he doing this to us? Why is he making himself less of who he actually is?
Maybe there is more to this than meets the eyes.
Like?
Maybe he is born by an occultic brotherhood to perform this as a ritual. Maybe we are all sacrifices made for his deity through sexual rituals and we have no idea of it.
Oh my God! Why haven't I thought in this direction?
Greetings, my prince.
Where is Maid Susaba? Huh? Am I not talking to human beings?
I don't know. I don't know either.
I don't get it. You do not know the whereabouts of a maid you work with? What are you talking about?
The last time I saw her, the queen sent her on an errand.
Oh.
Yeah, maybe she's not yet back.
Alright, see.
She's coming, my queen.
What kept you? You took a long time.
I'm very sorry, my queen. It wasn't deliberate. When I got there, she wasn't there, so I had to wait for her to return.
I see.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Alright, you can go back to your duty post.
Thank you, Majesty.
The prince? Yes. Again, oh God, I'm finished. How did the prince not so good? Is that an abuse? It's a compliment.
Each human being, in his right senses, would take compliment of an act that makes him less human than he is. This is modern day slavery, and I think it's high time we did something about this.
Well, the only thing you and I can do about it is to resign and leave this job. And of course, you know it's a rare privilege to serve in the royal house. So, I wonder who among us want to lose this golden opportunity.
You never can tell.
Chizoba.
Yes?
The prince wants to see you in his chambers.
Yeah?
Now.
We can't run away from it.
We can't run away from our chosen nightmare.
Why did you keep the prince of Umudim kingdom waiting? How dare you?
My prince, it's just but a while ago that Jide summoned me.
I'll come off it, you know what I mean? Hmm?
I'm sorry, I...
Shut up! Go ahead and do the needful. Yeah.
My prince.
I said go ahead and do the needful. Right? Do it now.
My prince.
Come this way.
My prince. My prince.
Come this way. Do the needful.
My prince.
Go ahead.
earlier you accept this as your fate and your lot and move on, the better for you.
When you consider the high level of poverty out there in the kingdom, when you consider the hunger you will inflict on your people who look up to you for daily bread, then you will know that everything is worth the pain. It's a sacrifice you have to make for being privileged working in the #1 household in this kingdom.
Let the end justify the means. The question is, for how long are we going to continue like this? For how long? Will this ever end? When? I do not know when this will end. Maybe for as long as we continue to earn our salary from the Queen's treasure.
Or maybe when the prince finally gets himself a wife and then is crowned the king of this kingdom. Maybe. Just maybe.
But I'm tired. I'm really tired. I'm tired.
The job is getting bigger by the day. And I need more hands on deck. I mean, even the prince, my son, noticed that the maidens are so little and he's complaining bitterly. So I want at least 2 more maids.
2 more maids?
Yes. I believe 2 will be enough.
How soon do you need them, my queen?
My dear, as soon as possible.
As soon as tomorrow?
As soon as today, actually.
Okay, my queen, you will hear from me.
I trust your judgment.
Trust, I will always give you the best, just the way you want it.
Thank you.
Thank you, my queen.
Mother, how did it go?
Well, she's bringing new people tomorrow morning.
Oh, interesting. Mother, I hope you told her that the girls who work in the king's court should look beautiful and pleasing to the eye.
So she was actually the one that brought the ones that are already here. Do they not meet the standard?
I'm not saying otherwise. They are good. But I'm talking about the new ones.
Well, she knows her job. You can trust me on that.
Great. That's nice.
One of Umudin. Greetings. Huh?
Good evening, ma. Yes, how may I help you?
Hi, my daughter. We brought these 2 chickens for you to please plead with you. Anytime the queen needs extra maiden in the palace, my daughter is here. She just finished her diploma program in school and she's free now.
Is this your daughter?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, come let me see you. Turn around.
Mom, you can see that.
Okay. I can actually see.
Very good. Thank you, ma.
Okay. You will hear from me.
Thank you very much.
Thank you,
We'll
ma.
be on our way.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you.
Bye-bye, ma.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
See the ugly daughter she brought. She want me to take to the palace. This one that does not fit the palace taste. Ugly duckling. AGK! Here's this boy. AGK!
Mama!
AGK! AGK!
Who got chicken?
That woman and her daughter just left here now, brought this chicken to help them to secure a place for them in the palace. Please, take it to Ogbani. Tell him to give me the equivalent of the money. I don't need the chickens.
It's big, oh.
Take it to Ogbani. Tell him to give me the exact equivalent. I don't need this chicken.
I can give you one and keep one now. At least you can use one to prepare peppers.
I said take the two to Ogbani to give me the equivalent of these two chickens. I know the money you are supposed to bring back.
Mama.
1 naira must not follow from my money. Go take it to Ogbani.
Mama.
Mama, anything in the food? I'm coming though. There's no food though.
So who and who will be among the lucky ones now? Your parents tried though. They gave me 50,000 naira, and besides, they are beautiful. You are one. So who will be the next now? Let's see. Your parents tried also. They really tried, but you are not beautiful. You will not be fitting to the palace. I can't take you. I can't take you to the palace. No. You will not fit the princess.
Mama. Oh, there are some people outside the gate. They said they want to see you.
Who are they?
I don't know, but maybe they are from the neighboring village. But I'm not sure they are from this kingdom.
Send them in.
Eh?
I said send them in.
Ha! Mama, how can I allow dirty to come inside the compound? I don't understand.
Who are the dirty people that want to come into my house?
How will I know? The only thing is just that they are smelling and I cannot allow them come in.
You can send them in.
Mama, if you allow me here,
I can bring them in.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Good evening. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How may I help you? Good afternoon, ma.
Madam, my name is Wokike, and this is my family. This is my wife. Her name is Wanyi Nkwo.
Good afternoon, ma.
And this is our only child, our only daughter, Adoma. We are not from this village. We are from Umokika village. And we have come here specially to see you.
So what can I do for you?
Like I said earlier on, my daughter, we are from Umokika. But we were banished and excommunicated for a crime we are innocent of. Our enemies labeled us criminals and got them to banish us. We are innocent of those charges.
So, how is that my business?
My daughter, we have been in this village for 2 weeks. And for those 2 weeks, life has been hard. We have had to feed from hand to mouth and basically live on scraps from the villagers. We survive by doing menial jobs. My wife and daughter run errands in the village. They fetch water for people, clean houses, and get paid meager stipends with which we survive, while I clear grasses and tend to lawns and farms for people. Life has been difficult for us. Just look at them. Life has been difficult.
I don't need your services, so you may go.
Please, my daughter. We have not come here to solicit for jobs from you. We have come here for something totally different.
Then go straight to the point.
Madam, don't be offended. What my husband is trying to say is that, you know, we heard that you are the one in charge of selecting maids that work in the palace. Yes, that is why we have come to plead with you. To please, let our daughter be... Adoma, she's my daughter. She's a very good girl. Very humble. Loyal, God-fearing, and of course, hard-working. She can run errands. Any errand she can run.
Yes, ma, please. If you do this for me, if you do this for us, we will eternally be grateful.
Yes.
Biko, please. Please, ma.
Okay, stand up, please. Okay. Turn around.
She's a fine girl.
Okay. You will hear from me.
Hey! Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma.
Oh, Ebelebe or whatever you're being called. I have told you that I don't enjoy such play from men. I don't like this.
What is your problem? What is your problem now? Eh? First of all, call me Prince Ebelebe first. We go then Prince Ebelebe, put Prince.
Yambam. Anamano.
Yeah, listen, let me. I am the first son of the late king. Meaning that I am the first prince of your land. And I know what? So you should acquire me some respect. You should respect me as a prince.
Please, Ebelebe. I am in a haste. I am, as you can see, I am rushing to somewhere. I am not in a mood for your long stories.
Yes, fine. I won't waste your time. Can we talk?
So what is it?
It's about what I've been telling you now.
What?
You see, I told you that I've been liking you. In fact, not liking you now. I'm beginning to fall in love with you. You understand? So you know, each time I set my eyes on you, you watch a pipe, and now I go me. You know, anytime I set my eyes on you, everything will start standing. Eh? And you should know that you are my doctor's prescription, morning and night. That's why I want to come and see your people now. At least do the needful. Then bruise wholesale, be broke with the way I like. Eh? Why are you staring at me like that?
Don't you ever stop me on the road because of this thing again. You got a pipe, I'll block you there. What am I going to pipe? What a pipe, I'll block you there.
Ah? So you're working out on me? Now what for this girl, oh? You're not even happy that I want to do you a favor by coming to marry you. Do you think it's easy to marry a prince? Do you think it's easy? Your mother had a fine boy. Your father had a fine boy. I don't know why you're raising your ego. I don't know why you're raising your hands. It's alright. Look at my door.
without any respect to the water park. What are you going to catch them now? What are you going to catch? What are you going to do? Eh? You see your water park. I don't blame him. You cannot from that. You not from that village. We didn't have time to say, "Come water pipe." Eh? Neka, come water pipe. Neka, come water pipe. In best so. Stop wondering the day you show what I'll do to you. So, come on, stop me on the day. Stop all this.
Why is your face like that? What happened?
Is he not that stupid boy that calls himself Ebelebe?
He still will not allow you rest, eh?
The next time he tries such with me, the next time he tries such nonsense with me, I swear to God, I will pull out his front teeth with my bare hands. I am very serious, Mama. I am very serious.
Nneka, it's okay. Stop swearing, eh? Now, forget that boy. Tell me, how did it go?
You are right, Mama. The queen has called Achalugo to get some maiden to the palace. I just confirmed it.
I pray that she will invite us very soon.
She doesn't have a choice, Mama.
Yes, she has.
She has to.
At least you're now smiling, oh yeah?
Sounding. That stupid boy that is always disturbing me and following me around.
You see that boy? He may end up being your
No, you cannot.
We are banished out of our kingdom. Where do we go from here? And no one more. Mama,
Tell the queen I am here with the object of her request.
Your Majesty.
Yeah, what is it?
Achalugo is here to see the queen with the urgent of the queen interest.
Oh, really? Okay, where are they?
Easy, son. Easy. They have come to see me, not you. Okay?
Sorry.
Bring them in.
The queen said you should come.
Okay then. Now girls, remember everything I told you. Please do not fall your hand before the queen. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma.
Okay, now let's go.
Long live the Queen. Greetings, the Crown Prince of Umudim Kingdom.
Your Majesty, I present to you the newest maid of the palace.
You are welcome, girls.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Welcome to the royal home.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
And what does the Prince of Umudim Kingdom think?
What else, mother? They are befitting to the royal household.
Thank you, my prince. for accepting my choice of maiden to the royal family.
It's always a delight. Go ahead.
Well, girls, the head of the royal servants will come and take you round the palace as an orientation class, and he will tell you do's and don'ts of this palace. Okay? As for you, Acharugo, you know how much I appreciate your person. And as usual, I'll see you.
I'm honored, my queen.
You're welcome.
May I at this junction take my leave?
Go ahead. Jide! Jide!
It's fine, no. It's fine, no.
Hadoma.
No.
The prince requests for your presence in his chambers.
I'm coming. I'm coming. I'm coming.
Initiation night.
Initiation night? What does that mean?
Never mind. You will understand by the time it gets to your turn.
My turn? You scare me.
You don't have to be scared. It is a part of your destiny you chose the day you decided to work in the palace.
You speak in riddles, and that alone scares me even more.
Be brave, sister. Only the brave survives here. So you have to be brave.
Why do I have this feeling? Something is wrong. What exactly is going on here? She is taking so long to come back, and nobody wants to tell me what this initiation represents. What happened? Why is your face like this?
I don't want to talk about it.
Now it's getting scarier.
It's a routine we found ourselves in. And we don't have a choice but to accept our fate. Yes, it hurts. It pains. But there's nothing we can do about it.
Of course there's something we can do about it. Every human being has a right to life. Whether rich or poor, nobody should take that away from you. Look, we all have our dignity as human beings.
What dignity do you have when the power to make or mar you lies in their hands? What dignity do you have when your family look upon you for survival and you in turn look upon them for monthly salaries? What dignity do you have when your entire source of income lies at the mercy of their decision?
Oh, you can decide to walk away with your dignity untempered. It is better to go hungry in pride than to feed well in slavery.
Slaves. Sexual slaves. That's what we are.
Well, I refuse to be one.
Suga, you're supposed to be sleeping.
Sleep has eluded me. Tell me, what transpired between you and the prince?
Asuka, the prince is not what you think he is. He's a monster.
Yeah, come in.
I'm sorry, my prince. I didn't know you were naked.
Hey, stop that.
The chief palace servants told me that you needed my attention, my prince.
Oh, yes.
My prince! My prince!
Are you okay? Well, I want you to warm my bed tonight, okay? Oh yes, I want to feed you. I want to enjoy you tonight. Look at how tall you are. Imagine me taking care of you. Just imagine me taking care of you.
My prince, what are you saying? Me? A maid? Warm your bed. My prince, I'm not your girlfriend and I'm not your wife. I don't know.
Yeah, don't be stupid, okay? Don't be stupid. Huh? I am the crown prince of this kingdom, right? So, whatever I want is what I get. I can sleep with as many girls as I want. I've been doing that. This is not the first time, so I can do it and get away with it. Did you hear what I said? Oh yes, once I desire you, if you like have a boyfriend, I don't care. If you like be married, I don't care. Married or married, boyfriend, no boyfriend, if I desire you, I want to have something with you, I will do it. So I desire you tonight. Go to there and dress yourself.
Yeah, my prince.
Dress yourself, let me have fun.
My prince, I can't. I cannot do that.
Oh. The audacity. The boldness! So you have the boldness to talk back. Talk to me.
I'm sorry, please.
Are you stupid?
Me.
Eh?
My prince, please, what?
I'm going to allow you tonight. Yes, I will allow you just because this is your first time in this palace. But I want you to get used to it. This is what I do for fun. this is what I enjoy doing. So as long as you are in this palace, you must give it to me the way I want it. I will enjoy you as my fantasy, and no one will stop me in it. And get lost. Get out of here.
Wait. Was that all that happened?
What do you mean?
Hello, Weepo. Hey, Timo. Hey. So, all those riddles and parables were about us opening and closing our legs for the prince.
Excuse me?
I beg you. Do you know that you scared the living daylight out of me? Huh? I thought it was some sort of ritual and spiritual exercise. For real. I thought it was something so serious.
Are you joking? Wait, a man trying to have sexual intercourse with you by force is not serious?
It's like I'm not getting something here.
Yes.
Is it a sex, like normal sex that we have on a daily, that you are talking about? Or is there another kind of sex? Huh? Ha! Adoma. Sexy kwa. Sexy kwa. Something that is sweeter than honey. Something that I will enjoy in the end. Yeah? And I was even thinking it's something that might cost me my life or something. Oh, please, you people should shift. Let me sleep. Shift because no need you. Ha! Sex. Natural again.
My prince.
Hey, are you okay?
Please, my prince, I would suggest you don't do that next time. Please.
What? What? Are you mad? Eh? How dare you talk to the crown prince of Umudim Kingdom in such manner? Are you stupid? Eh?
So sorry.
Look at this local fowl that I picked up from the dungeon and brought you to the palace. So you have the guts, the effrontery to talk back at me? Are you mad? Eh? I better be careful with me. Eh? Better be careful. Because, let me tell you something. It's a rare privilege for you to have such a thing with the prince. So you should be happy. You should be jumping up and down by now.
My prince, I might be from the dungeon, yes. But I'm a human being. I deserve some respect too. Imagine if I was your sister, would you...
Hey, shut up! How dare you compare yourself with my sister? Are you mad? Eh? Who gave you that guts? What gave you that guts?
Sorry.
Rubbish. Hey, come back here. I'm not done with you. Are you okay? I'm not done with you. Let me tell you what you're going to do now. Go into my chamber. Remove this clothing you're putting on. Okay? Make yourself free. Allow fresh air to enter in there. Eh? Spread your legs. I have AC. I have air condition there. Spread your legs. Allow it to face the AC. Eh? So the fresh air can come in before I come and join you. I'll take care of you when I come.